Mastering prepositional phrases on the island. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, on the island, and how it's used in different contexts. Understanding prepositional phrases is crucial for mastering English. And, on the island, is a great example to learn. So let's dive in. The phrase, on the island, refers to being physically located atop or surrounded by water. It's used when talking about the geographical position of a person, object, or place. For example, I spent my vacation on the island of Maui. Literal use. In its literal sense, on the island means that something is physically situated on a piece of land surrounded by water. This could refer to a person living on the island, a house built on the island, or activities taking place on the island. Figurative use. Figuratively, on the island can signify isolation or being part of a distinct group. As in, they work on the island of their own department, separate from the rest. There are several expressions and idioms that use on the island. For instance, "No man is an island" is a famous quote by John Donne, which means that nobody is truly self-sufficient. When using on the island, it's important to remember that on is the preposition and the island is the object of the preposition. Together, they form a prepositional phrase that modifies another part of the sentence. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, on the island, and how you can use it in English. Remember, whether it's literal or figurative, this phrase can add depth to your conversations and writings. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.